Hello everyone, this is Server Dreamer, our math teacher. Our lesson for today is Sets and Introduction. Sets and Introduction. So now, are you ready? Okay, ready na aking mga estudyante dyan, my dear students. What is set? What is set? Set is a collection of well-defined objects. How you can say that a set is a collection of well-defined objects? Because it is countable. You can enumerate. The object in a set is called elements. Element, another term for elements, is members. What are the example of sets? In mathematics, we also have examples such as, for example, the set of shapes. Another example, set of counting numbers. Another example, set of integers. Another example, set of multiples of 5. So let's start with the different kinds of set. First, equal sets. Sets that contain same elements. Elements in A and elements in B are the same. For example, set A. Set A has the following elements: 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And set B has the following elements: 3, 2, 4, 5, and 1. As you can see, the elements are just rumbled, but they are the same. Therefore, the set A is equal to set B. Equivalent sets. Sets that contain same number of elements. C and D. What are the elements in set C? We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. And set D, we have M, R, A, Z, S, I, E. Okay. So you are going to count the number of elements in set C and set D. How many elements do we have in set C? We have 7. And also, we have how many elements in set D? We have 7. So that is equivalent sets. Next, finite sets. What is finite sets? Sets that have limited number of elements, meaning to say you can count the number of elements. For example, set A, colors of rainbow. We know that rainbows have only how many colors? 7 colors. So you can name all the colors of the rainbow. Another example, months in a year. Okay, it is easy to count or name. There are 12 months in a year. So that is what we call finite sets. Another kind of sets, infinite sets. Sets that have many elements in consideration. Meaning to say, you cannot count, you cannot name all the elements in the set. For example, set C, stars in the sky. Another example, grains of sun in Boracay. Not countable, you cannot count. Okay, so that is set. Sets, if it is countable and you can enumerate, that is what we call well-defined set. If you cannot count, you cannot enumerate, you cannot name, that is not well-defined set. So, that is all about set. Nakuha nyo ba? Did you get it? Okay, that is our first lesson, Sets and Introduction.